On God. That's why I let that bitch air out. But yeah, man. We at the dealership. Motherfucking Hellcat, man. Oh, look at Hellcat. I ain't never been in a Hellcat before. This is the first for me. Shit, that bitch, it don't crank up. Only 2,000 miles. You know what's crazy? Them 2,000 miles, somebody done dogged it out.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see.
Yeah. See anything you like? I think this is Scat Pack. No. This a 5.7. This a 5.7. Yep, 5.7. Anything you like, Miss Ma'am? I know you like the Jeeps and stuff. But yeah, they cool. They cool.